So with all the craziness that's going on about the Galaxy Fold, should you cancel your pre-order? Probably not. Probably not. Oh, if you're new here, sometimes I just tell the answer to the title in the first 10 seconds of the video. So you can leave now if you want to. But, you know, for the rest of you, there are some reasons why you might want to cancel. And for those, I'll tell you why right after this.
This is, you know you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name's Travis and I do tech videos every single week and have a blast doing them. If that sounds like fun to you, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Anything I talk about will be in the description below. But for now, let's just get into the video. Shout out to my new merch, Run MCP, in the building. You can catch those along with my What Up Player shirts and other shirts in the description below, or right below it. You can see the little carousel there, and you can pick up my latest merch. But you're here to figure out if you should cancel your pre-order. I mean, this past week has been really kind of scary for people who have put upwards of $2,000 on the line for some really kind of unproven tech because they want to be on the cutting edge. And this is actually the point, the crux of the situation. Whether or not you should cancel your pre-order is pretty simple. The reason this is simple is because really there's only 3 types of people that should be getting this phone. Really just 3. And one of them already has it. The first is someone who's covering the phone for, you know, a website or a YouTube channel, and they already have theirs. Obviously, that's how we're finding out all this information. So if they already have theirs, that means there's only 2 types of people that should probably buy this phone. The second is someone who absolutely positively needs to be on the cutting edge, the bleeding edge of tech, and is willing to take risks and is just like, you know, listen, I need to have the best. I don't care how much it costs. That's my life. I'm all about that gadget life. Gimme, gimme, gimme. And that might actually be some of you watching this right now. I mean, those type of people are the people who will read about tech, will go to YouTube, watch videos, all those things, and are really excited about the newest, latest, and greatest tech. So if you're one of those people, don't cancel your pre-order either. The third one is one that I don't know how many of them there are. These are the people that just have so much money that $2,000 doesn't mean anything to them. So, you know, just buy it, I guess. So since those are the 3 types of people that should not cancel, what's the type of person that should cancel? Pretty much anyone else, which includes people like average consumers, which I guarantee you there's none of those, or someone who's just kind of curious, it looks kind of cool, and is willing to take a bunch of money out of their savings to buy it. I suspect that's a very small number. But if it's even one of you, cancel the pre-order. This is super simple. The reason why is you're going to have to baby this thing. You're going to have to ensure that nothing goes wrong. You don't want to drop it. You don't want to get dust on it. You don't want to accidentally take the top layer off, which might fall off by itself anyway. You don't want to do any of these things. This is a first generation product. We have no idea after 3 months if that phone's going to be working in any kind of way. They say the Fold is good for 200,000 folds and unfolds, but I mean, it was a robot who folded and unfolded the exact same way 200,000 times. When you fold and unfold the thing, you are not going to do that the exact same way 200,000 times. Taking it out of your pocket 200,000 times. You know, listen, 200,000 times is supposed to be about 5 years, so definitely, like, it should be longer than the life of this phone. Having said that, this is not the phone for you. It's for the other 3 types of people that I've already talked about and explained. Those are the people that can live with it if it breaks, know the risks going on and going into this product, and are willing to take them. If you happen to see someone with this phone and you want to go get one because it looks cool, you probably shouldn't do that. This might all be a moot point anyway, even though the phone is sold really well and Samsung's going to try to make more, I guess, to fill the demand. I don't suspect there's going to be that many available anyway. I suspect after this big first sale of the phones, they'll just stop making them. At least they should stop making them. We don't know what's going to happen once they get into the hands of average consumers. But we now at least know some of the things to be concerned about. Hopefully the people that are getting this phone know about all the controversy. I mean, everything that happened in the past week has actually gone on things like CNN, CNBC, like actual normal television channels. This was widespread news. So you really have no excuse. You know the risks going into this right now, as do I. And yes, I will still be trying to pick one of these up on day 1. I guarantee you, I'm doing it only because I have this YouTube channel, no matter how much I love tech. And as sad as I was in my last video, and I kind of talked about how they broke my heart, the reality is this. This is still a very exciting tech. I'm still amped for it. I'm still gonna pull out all the stops in my review video. I can't wait. I'm still gonna do a first impression video, and then I'm gonna take this thing, do everything I can to it, make sure it's the proper device that Samsung should have released, and then make a video all about it. I can't wait to show you guys. So just to recap, should you cancel your pre-order? If you're this far in the video, the answer is probably no. I really don't think anyone who should cancel their pre-order even has a pre-order. Like, in order to get the pre-order, you had to be on a list and then get onto the early part of that list. Like, they gave a list to a whole bunch of people, and less than 24 hours, the thing was sold out. Those people were the hardcores. They really wanted it. So I don't think many people, if any, need to cancel the pre-order. If you've been scared by everything that's happened this past week, then absolutely go ahead, cancel. I totally understand. But for the rest of you, let's find out what happens. My only concern, my one big concern, is if something does go wrong, will the return be difficult? Now, some people were saying, oh, it'll be under warranty and everything. A lot of people forget about the fact this is going to replace most people's phones, and to send a phone in for repair is an incredible hassle. Like, who wants to be without their phone for any length of time, let alone a couple of days, which it will have to be in order to get another one? And just because MKBHD got one and overnighted to him, yeah, you're not MKBHD, and neither am I. So just know that this is a very big possibility that if something goes wrong and you have to return it because it's damaged, they're probably gonna ask you a lot of questions about how it got damaged. And they might not care at all that this is a thing. And I don't know. Samsung needs to let all of these places that you buy them from, including themselves, know that if something goes wrong, they need to take the returns with no questions asked. No questions asked. If anyone has any problems with the Samsung Fold, they need to take them back immediately. Props to Viper. But I'm willing to take the risk for it now. How about you? If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And if it didn't, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'm here every single week having a blast. Hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love. And get my phone.